Hi, today we're going to draw Stan Marsh from South Park, also featuring Fortnite as his cool skin at the moment. So I'm going to do Stan at the top here, then it's kind of like Fortnite skin, body going up around here, legs down this way. So let's start up with those iconic eyes. I'm going to draw one on the left here, it's like a oversized egg, right? So just start up here, nice little curve around, curve it back in on itself. One eye there. The next one goes around sort of the opposite of that one. They kind of converge together in the center here. Let's start from the middle, draw it out. Nice wide little oval. Around like that, okay? Got those two eyes, let's pop in two little dots. One here, one here. And we've got those eyes with the pupils in. Let's just go a bit lower, down. About here, so I'm going to draw a line across there for the mouth and then make it into a little triangle, cut across there, colour that bit in for the inside of the mouth, then we'll just pop 1, 2, 3 little lines in, we've got the teeth. Cool, okay. Next up, I'm just going to draw his face, so I'm going to do a line from about here, curve it around to about this point here. So just come a bit further out on this side, just kind of looking over this way. Get the pen, just curve it around. Nice and steady around there. Okay, he's got his hat on, so I'm going to just draw a little curve around each side, one there, kind of comes around, it's the edge of the hat. I'm going to draw the underside first of all, so I'm going to just draw a nice little arc, goes above the eyes and to there. So around this way, above those eyes, down like that, and then we'll join it up on the other side. Nice little curve, join it up to that bit we made there, okay? It's got a nice little curved edge of his hat. Now the rest of it just curves around here. There's a little bobble on the top. So I'm going to just go from here. I'm just going to draw a nice curve around to the other side. So just grab the pen, nice little curve. Top of it's about here. Bring it round to about there. Okay, got that nice circular head in. Then the bobble on the top of the hat, kind of a bit scrunchy. So I'm just going to draw a little bit freeform, wiggly edge to that. Around the top there, okay? Just wiggle the pen a bit at the center of the top. And we've got his head. All right, so he's sitting in like a command chair. So let's get this sorted out. First of all, got a little shoulder going down this way to about here. Another little part of the shoulder coming down this way here. Now he's got like little glove mitts on. All I need to do really here is just draw a little curve oblong like that, maybe leave a little bit at the top here, draw a little sort of thumb bit, same on here, just going to go around, nice little curve like that, maybe a little bump here where the thumb would be, just join it up. I'm going to draw a line out here where it goes down and a line out here where his body goes down to about there. And then he's actually sitting in like this kind of like this box like skin. So I'm going to just draw a line across this way up to about there. Now I've got that in, what I'm going to do is draw his little feet in. So I've got one little foot curving up here, one little foot here. So I'm just going to grab the pen, draw a nice curve there, little curve around like that there. Maybe that was a little bit thicker, and we'll just block those in, block those feet in. Cool. Next up, just going to pop a line here where his shirt goes to his trousers, so I'm just going to draw a little line across there. He's actually got a belt on because he's sitting in a seat, so I'm going to draw a line going a little bit diagonal here from the shoulder, just down like that. And a little bit of a hint of one there. Then I'm just going to go up like that there, go up here where his shirt converges and maybe a couple little dots for his little buttons. Now it's starting to look like South Park, right? So Stan is sitting in a little chair. I'm just going to draw the back of the chair coming around this way. So it just curves around this way here, down. And over this side, probably about here, curve it out, down here. Then it just kicks out a little bit. One kick out there, one kick out around there, where it kind of comes out where he's sitting in a box. And it's got like two little line bits just going up here for detail. And then I think I can get on and draw the rest of the character. So I'm gonna draw the arms coming out here. I've got shoulder pads either side here. Then the arms kind of come together in the middle part here. So big old like boxes coming up here. So big old chunky kind of rectangle bit coming out here. Comes out across this way as well. Up there and around. Maybe we'll just curve this around here. It's like a bit of fast food or something going on there. And on this side, it's got a big old torch on this part. So I'm gonna just curve it out here. Curve it out and back around that way. And then come back on myself here. So just curve it around like that. Then I can draw the torch on the top. And the torch is sort of sticking out this way. So I'm gonna draw a nice circle there. Just pop another one in where the little lens of the flashlight is. Then we're going to come back on ourselves a bit like this. Curve it around, and then we're going to come back, sort of draw the rest of the torch coming around there, in and around. It's kind of stuck in as well, so just a couple little curves just to give that look. Let's just colour in the edge of that point there. Yeah, okay. Right, now we're going to start getting into the arm part. So there's another little curve around here. Just block that in like that. Let's just fill that in. And then we've got the lower arm areas. So the box goes down this way here. Got an arm coming down here. Just sort of curves around like that. And over here, it'll come out a little bit further there. And over here, just come out a little bit further here. And then we're just going to put a line down the torso area there. Just going to draw the elbow here as like a big baseball. So I'm just going to just draw a nice curve around like that. And then going to cap it off, two little lines. And then what I'm going to do is just draw a big old glove in there. So all I need to do is like go around this way here, kind of skips out, comes in on itself, kind of tapers in there. Let's just join that up. And then I can just draw here a little curve upwards, draw a finger. So we've got like 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers there. And then I'm just going to come back downwards to the wrist area about here. On this side, he's got one of those remotes stuck on the edge of this again. So just going to draw a little line out coming around here and in. A couple of little buttons. And he's got some tape coming around the edge. So it's almost like his elbow comes out here, comes around here, up and in. Then he's got tape that goes around the controller like this. Let's just fill that controller bit in. Slightly tricky this bit, but just take your time on it, it should be fine. Then the rest of the hand just goes into this other hand here, so I'm just going to draw a little line up there, and then the other bit, just the underside of the hand that can go in that area there. Two little tapers around here, so I've got a taper in there, taper in about there, and I can just work across. And I've got that torso. And then what he's got is like two big pocket areas and a belt. So right in the middle here, I'm going to draw a big old chunky square. And then two little belt areas. So I'm going to come out around here, come down here, nice curve around that way there and in. And on this side, we're going to come out down like that, around and up like that. So we've got those big old belts in, big old sort of pocket bits in, and we'll just cap the belt area like that. Then that leaves the legs for us. So I'm going to draw the upper part of the legs here to the knee area. So the midsection is about there. Just draw a line, nice and wavy, in the inner part down like that. I'm going to come around and bring it back up to that belt area there. On this side, I'm going to come around like this, boof it back in there. So we've got those top areas of the legs in. Now for the knees, there's like duct tape stuck around this knee here. So all we've got to do is 2 lines down here and curve it in. And this side has got more of a pad. So I'm going to just draw a nice sort of rounded curved area there. Maybe a little bit in the middle. Maybe just accentuate the edges around here. And then I've got 2 little straps that go in. So I've got a line there. Just fill that in like that. And then we've got another line coming out around there. Just join that up like that. Okay, got the rest of the trousers, then we've got boots on. So on this side, I'm just going to come right out like this, curve it out here and in. And on this side, just curve it out here, right around like that and in. Okay, now we've just got the boots to go. He's got 2 different types of boots on. So this one's more of a lace-up kind of boot here, okay? So I'm just gonna go from the side, I'm gonna taper it in down to there. On this side, I'm gonna come maybe just out a little bit and then taper it in like that. Now I'm gonna draw the front area. So what I'm gonna do is just draw a front area coming out here, down like this, and then curve it around and just kick it out the back there. What I can do is just draw a little bit of the sole area, just coming around like that. Maybe there's a little rectangular bit here, little curve there, and then he's got big old lace-ups on for the rest of it. So I'm just gonna just draw some crisscrosses going around here, and we'll just draw a little line going down that way there. Just fill that bit there, I'm happy with that. On this side, again, we're gonna taper down to all that shin areas. So I'm gonna come just out a little bit there, just come down like that there. On this side, from here, down like that there. And then I'm gonna bring the foot out here. So I'm gonna really bring the foot area right here, down, curve it around, back and up like that. I'm just gonna draw that little sole area in there. And then he's got bits of tape on this one, so just a little few curves going on around here, around that bit, and then just gonna bring it around this side and then just draw a few little random lines up. Maybe at the top here we'll just thicken that black line. There we go, that's cool. Just put a little bit more detail in. So if we go up to the top here, maybe on the flashlight, we'll just pop in some little lines here. On the arm up this way, I'm gonna pop a few little curves in. Same on this arm, a couple little curves. Maybe here I've got the stitching for the ball, so that can be like little arrow bits just going up here and then a line in the middle. And then he's got a little plug area in the torso area here, so it's almost like a little rectangular bit just below the hands. It's got a little square of a plug, and then there's a little cable that just runs through. Let's make a little thick line there, like that. For the torso, it looks like it's a bit of a bin, so I'm just going to draw some little lines in for detail. And then with these little padded pockets, maybe there's a couple little curves where the pockets are. I'll just draw some little lines either side of that. There we go, along there. Right here, there's more tape, so I'm just gonna draw a couple little lines in there. Maybe a few little creases in the trousers there. Just up here, we've got a cyborg bill going on, so just going to draw a little bit of a flash where it's a bit orangey, kind of painted on in the box, just zigzag up and down, give it that kind of homespun feel around there. And then maybe there's just like a bit of tape just on the top of this glove here. Let's just get a slightly clumpier Sharpie, and I'm just going to go around the edge where the hands are here, because there's a lot of detail, so just make those outer bits pop a little bit, give it a really thick edging. Just leave the top of his head there, come around this way. Actually, this bit here, we can just fill this little part with a bit more ink around there. Maybe those edges there we filled. Top of the glove, hand there, and we'll just come down, just fill those edges in a little bit. Just gives our picture a little bit of a pop. Just like thicken those boots up a little bit. Just accentuate those outer parts if we want them. Maybe that little bit there. Ball area, yeah, and in there as well. And maybe just one more thing we can do is just sort of fill in just a little bit more around the seat area, maybe just in here and in here where the box comes out. Maybe there's a little bit of shading, just box area there, just fill in a bit of a box area there as well. And you know what? I think I'm pretty happy with that. So there we go. There's Stan from South Park, also featuring in Fortnite skin at the moment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know who else I can be drawing, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.